In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a company user in Goodday. Before we get started, make sure you're already logged into your Goodday account with the proper permissions to manage users. Typically, you'll need to be an administrator or have HR level access, because deleting a user affects access, data ownership, and sometimes billing. Once you're on your Goodday dashboard, start by moving your cursor to the bottom area of the screen where your profile icon appears. This is usually a small avatar or your initials. Click on that profile icon. This opens a menu that gives you access to your personal settings and broader account options. From the menu that appears, click on Account Settings. This will take you away from your personal workspace and into the main settings area for your account or organization. Give it a second to load, because this is where many of the configuration options for your environment are located. Inside Account Settings, look for the section labeled Human Resources or HR. This area is dedicated to anything related to people, such as users, roles, and organizational structure. Click on Human Resources to open the HR settings. Within the HR settings page, you should see an option called Company Users. This is where all active users in your organization are listed. Click on Company Users to open the full user directory. You'll now see a list of people who are part of your company account, usually with names, roles, and status indicators. Next, scroll through the list or use any available search or filter options to find the specific user you want to delete. Take your time here and double check that you've selected the correct person, especially if several users have similar names. Once you've identified the right user, click on that user's entry to open their profile or details page. On the user's details page, look for the delete option. This is usually displayed as a button or link. Before you click it, keep in mind that deleting a user can remove their access and may affect task ownership or reporting. If needed, reassign their responsibilities before proceeding. When you're ready, click on Delete. A confirmation window will appear asking you to confirm this action. This step is designed to prevent accidental deletions. Review the information one last time, and if everything looks correct, click on Submit to finalize the deletion. After you submit, the user will be removed from your list of active company users, and their account will no longer have access to your Goodday workspace.